level. Sea level?
Samsung n-910c.
This is killing me.
This one.
Up next, the Wrecking Ball. Over 100 feet long, it's one of the most strenuous inflatables on the course. There's balls everywhere. On this Buffalo's insane inflatable 5K, which has now become a test of both physical and mental strength. This. Redemption. Redemption. Is that the finish right there? Let's go. And strong. This is it. I'm almost done. It's just right over there. No more contusions. No more crying. Just victory. Not this time. This is it! The toughest episode of television I've ever made in my life. Thank you. Oh God, just end the show. End the show. Let's get in this shape. I pushed it way too hard. I ran, I'd say, the majority of that race. Those obstacles took it out of me, and that last obstacle, jumping down, was a big mistake. Hey, someone on our crew go get us a kielbasa or something, or a Philly cheesesteak. Make it happen. Thank you, man. Thank you. In this episode, I had my manhood confused, I had my manhood questioned, and I've now reclaimed my manhood. I'm going home. I'm going home. Where's the conqueror? I got my manhood!
I'm going to bring you to the most extreme, bizarre hotels in the world. And believe it or not, I'm on one right now. It's a hotel on a crane. Whoa. All right, let's start to shake. Do not look down. And imagine a hotel at 500 feet underground. We are in the deepest hotel suite in all the world. Or imagine a hotel that looks like it was blown out of the rainforest floor with its very own waterfall. That's the hotel. I've never seen anything like this. I'm Anthony Melchiori. I spent 30 years running hotels and resorts, and now I'm checking into the most bizarre hotels that have ever been built. How cool is that? So, let's leave the cookie-cutter hotels behind and explore the most unexpected, unique, and extreme bizarre hotels on Earth. I'm in the Netherlands, and the Netherlands is famous for upscale architecture apple cart. As you can see around me, you have nothing but creative buildings. They can be hundreds. I go to a hotel that stays within that standard. Something very creative, something very bizarre. And it's here at the n-910c, a place for longshoremen and street artists. Not a place you'd expect to find one of the most unique and bizarre hotels on Earth. But all you have to do is look to find a 160-foot crane hotel for Raleigh. A hotel on a crane? Yep.
I'm the owner, of course.
Okay, I have one question for you. Why this crane? Like, this is insane.
I wanted to have the most excessive things out of old piece of crap. The most beautiful hotel you can find in the Netherlands. Now look at the contradiction over here. It's a 5-star hotel, the best gravity outlet in this area.
It's a contradiction. That's a great word. Show me your contradiction.
Come inside.
That is so cool. I love the fact that you keep this open. This is straight up. That's part of the experience. And this really is I'm in a hotel right now. Not only is this hotel truly bizarre, but it's ultra exclusive. With only 3 mid-level private guest rooms.
Just the old machinery.
Yeah, I like it. You're in a plane. When you feel like you're in a 5-star hotel room. What is this, a safe?
Oh, this is the bathroom?
Look at this shower. This is extraordinary. I've never been in a shower like this. I feel like I'm on the bottom of the ocean on some kind of sunken ship. And you have a view. No one can see it. You can get naked and go, hello, Amsterdam, I'm naked, I want a cream.
And the funny thing is,
Now it turns on its own or you're surrounded by Amsterdam, but you're in your own little suite. You get to use the pavilion, above you, on the side of you. So how did this come to you?
I bought it 1 year. I bought it with the obligation. I had to restore the whole thing.
So they gave it to you basically, but then they said you have to put millions of dollars into it to restore it.
I didn't know exactly how this would cost. So my first calculations were about 2 million. Now it's almost 4 million. We chopped the whole crane in 15-20 parts. We restored everything. We brought it back 8 months later. And we rebuilt the whole crane part by part.
No businessman in this suit is sitting in an office going, oh, there's a crane. I'm going to make that a hotel. Now it's one of the biggest destinations in the world. It's one of the most fascinating destinations in the world. Only a crazy person would do this. Each room here has its own distinct design. This is the Mystique Suite. With its dark wallpaper and avant-garde furnishings, it truly captures the provocative vibe of Amsterdam's nightlife.
No! Car!
So this is a whole different vibe. Whereas this room, the Free Spirit Suite, is a stark farmhouse with a light and airy feel. Explain that.
Well, it one of the people and he that bad.
And the rooms are only the beginning. There's other 5-star amenities like this hot tub on top of the world. This is fantastic. If I book this room tonight, this is mine.
It's yours, and it's exclusive for this free room.
You remember this forever. Because you're the only person with a hot tub on top of it. Whether you're in Amsterdam or anywhere else. And just under 650 square feet, this intimate venue hosts the wildest parties in Amsterdam.
You want to have a beer?
I do want to have a beer. Where's the beer? Well, I have a wig in your studio.
I don't know. It's for private parties.
So this was left over from a party.